Day 20, building a business, living in my car. Good morning. It's time to have a productive weekend. Off I go. Weekends is so different now. Makes quite a difference getting them 2 extra days a week. I will be glad to see the end of it. It's certainly a means to an end. I've been away from my hometown for a while now, so it'd be nice to settle down somewhere, start afresh, start a family even. Who knows where any of this ends up? Suppose you try find the things that move you forwards. Get up nice and early tomorrow, go to church. I should jump back there. Good night.